Hi, my name is Faiza Latif and I am your IELTS instructor. Welcome to the first video of IELTS course. In this video, we are going to discuss what is IELTS. So the full form of IELTS is International English Language Testing System. It is a test that is conducted by the British Council. And so who attempts the IELTS exam? Any person who wishes to go to a foreign country for higher studies, for immigration, or for any job or any business activity, they have to go through this exam that is called IELTS exam. And now we will see that how many types of IELTS are there. There are two types of IELTS. One is IELTS academic and the other one is IELTS general training. Firstly, I am going to explain that what is IELTS academic. As I told you before that IELTS academic is for those who want to go abroad for any study purposes or for educational purposes. So they will be attempting the IELTS academic exam, and IELTS academic exam is particularly designed for students, so its vocabulary, its structure, its grammar and all the demands are according to the students, to the level of students like. And what about general training? The general training, as I already told you, that it is for those who want to immigrate to a foreign country or who want to do any business activity or some job in a foreign country. So its vocabulary is related to, and its structure is basically related to the day-to-day activities in any foreign countries.